Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we're talking about the Vanilla Visa gift card, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer the question on how to use your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So first off, what is this card? Well, it's pretty easy. Basically what this is you just buy these little cards at a local retailer. I believe I bought this one at Walmart, and then once you buy the card, then you can load a pre-designated amount of cash onto the card one time. These are not reloadable. So for example, this one has $25 on it. Once you've loaded the card and you paid for it at the register, this card is basically activated, it's ready to go. If you're going to be using it inside of a retailer. So like if you're going to a Nike store or to Starbucks, you can just simply swipe this card. It doesn't have a chip, and you can use it at most places that accept debit Visa. So I'm just going to give a brief rundown on what you can do to use this card. So one question I get often is, do you need a PIN number? And the answer is no, you don't really need a PIN number. Basically what you're going to do at the retailer is you just swipe the card and hit credit. Don't hit debit, because then you're going to have to enter a PIN number in. However, you can if you want. Now the thing is, with a PIN number, you're going to set that up there at the register the first time that you run it as debit. So just to make your life easy, usually just run it as credit. That way you don't need a PIN number. If you choose you want to set up a PIN number, what you want to do is go ahead and hit debit at the retailer. So like if you go to Starbucks and order a coffee and you're going to pay, you just swipe this, click on debit. Once you click debit, then you're going to enter a 4-digit PIN, and that's a 4-digit PIN that you choose the first time you use the card. So it could be 1234, it could be 1111, it could be your birthday. It really doesn't matter. You get to choose. Just make sure you choose something that you'll be able to remember, because that PIN number is going to stay with the card until you're finished using it. But again, make your life easy. Just run it as credit. That way you don't need a PIN number. But that's also how you set up a PIN number if you want to have one. Now, the next thing is using the card online. Can you use this card online? Yes, you can, but you need to go through a couple of different steps. Basically, what you're going to need to do is flip the card over. So once you flip the card over, there's two ways to set this up to use online. So you can go ahead and call the phone number. It's kind of small to see, but you can see it right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave more information about this in the video description. But basically, you just call the 1-800 number, and then you'll register a zip code with your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. Once you've registered a zip code, then you can use this card online. Now, usually when you buy things online at like Nike.com or Starbucks, they ask for a shipping address or the address that's associated with your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. It doesn't really matter what address you put in or what name you're going to put in. You can put in anything, but what's going to matter for these particular cards is going to be the zip code. So you need to call that 1-800 number and register a zip code. But if you're like me and you don't like going through automated systems, you can go ahead and go to the website that's on the back of the card as well. Again, it's kind of small to see, but it's right there. Once you get to that website, you'll need to enter in the card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit code for your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. Once you've logged into the system, just look down until you see the button that says register zip code. Once you're there, then you can register a 5-digit zip code to use with your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. There is no option to change your name. There's no option to change your address on there. Don't worry about all that. You only want to register the zip code. Once you've registered the zip code, then you can go ahead and start to make purchases online with your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. So that is purchases online. And the next thing you want to know about is taking cash off your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. Can you use this card at an ATM? I get that question a lot, and no, you cannot. Even if you register a PIN number on the process that we spoke about earlier, if you go to the ATM and you put this card in, it's going to ask for a PIN number. You're going to put it in, and if you try to withdraw cash on it, it's just not going to go through. These cards are not set up to get cash at an ATM. You cannot get cash back at a debit card purchase. So if you went to a pharmacy like CVS or Walgreens, made a purchase and asked for cash back, it will not go through. So hopefully in the future they change that, but at this time you cannot do that. And another thing you want to know about your Vanilla Visa debit gift card is it is not reloadable. So this is not a reloadable gift card. So if you're giving this to someone or you're buying it for yourself, once you use it one time for the amount that you designated put on, so this one's 25, that money's gone, the card's no good, you may as well just throw it away. If you want to use another one, you just have to go to the store and buy another one. You cannot use this card again and again. It's not something like a Green Dot prepaid debit card or a NetSpend prepaid debit card or even the Vanilla prepaid debit card. I know Vanilla has one, it's called My Vanilla. That is not this card. This is a one-time use only, and you can tell by it saying gift and then having the pre-designated dollar amount there on the top right. So there you have it. That's a brief rundown and an overview on your Vanilla Visa debit gift card. If you have other questions, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know, and then hopefully we can give you an answer there in the comments. And if you found this video useful, be sure to click thumbs up. And if you found it really horrible to listen to, be sure to share it with your friends, let them know how bad of a video this was. But thanks for watching. Hope to see you on the next video.